welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury timepieces with the OMEGA Constellation 41mm, a true blend of elegance and innovation. In this clip, get ready to witness the unveiling of this exceptional model that seamlessly combines stainless steel, 18K yellow gold, and exquisite detailing that exemplifies OMEGA's craftsmanship. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. This timepiece epitomizes elegance with a brown polished ceramic bezel ring featuring Roman numerals in OMEGA Ceragold trademark, a tribute to meticulous craftsmanship. A luxurious masterpiece that marries stainless steel with the resplendent allure of 18K yellow gold. The dial, in a rich rhodium-grey hue with a silk-embossed finish, exudes sophistication. A subtle date window placed at the 6 o'clock position adds a touch of functionality without compromising its aesthetic appeal. Adorning this horological marvel are hands, the iconic OMEGA logo, constellation star, and indexes in 18K yellow gold, exemplifying opulence in every detail. An innovative departure from the norm, this timepiece forgoes the iconic monoring bracelet, embracing a sumptuous brown leather strap infused with a rubber lining. The blend of sophistication and comfort elevates this watch, ensuring it's not just a timekeeper but an expression of refined taste. But what lies beneath this captivating exterior is equally impressive. At the heart of the OMEGA Constellation 41mm beats the OMEGA coaxial master chronometer caliber, 8900. Through the scratch-resistant sapphire crystal case back, you can witness this engineering marvel in action, an exquisite symphony of precision and innovation. This movement is a masterpiece in itself. The OMEGA 8900 caliber, a certified master chronometer approved by Metas, resists magnetic fields of up to 15,000 Gauss, ensuring unparalleled accuracy and reliability. Featuring a free-sprung balance with a silicon balance spring and 2 barrels mounted in series, this movement boasts automatic winding in both directions, culminating in a substantial power reserve of 60 hours. The 41mm case, a seamless blend of steel and yellow gold, exudes a sense of sophistication, while the 24.2mm between lugs highlights its attention to detail. With a gray dial that exudes refinement, this timepiece's aesthetic appeal is unparalleled. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Completing the ensemble is a luxurious brown leather strap secured with a fold-over clasp made of stainless steel, perfectly complementing the overall design. As a master chronometer certified piece, this watch is anti-magnetic, presenting a transparent caseback that accentuates its inner workings and a convenient time zone function, making it a versatile companion for any occasion. In summary, the OMEGA Constellation 41mm isn't just a watch, it's a symphony of luxury, craftsmanship, and innovation. It's an embodiment of refined taste and sophistication, ensuring that every glance at your wrist is a testament to elegance. Thank you for joining us on this horological exploration, and we eagerly await your return for more fascinating discoveries. Until next time, may your moments be as luxurious as this exquisite timepiece. Thank you for watching. We are waiting for you again.